228. I have no idea.
What's up?
What's up, motherfuckers?
How you doing?
You're kind
Welcome
of
to
Yeah.
You're kind of near
Welcome to the shithole.
Okay.
Yeah.
the shithole.
You just missed the party.
Oh, missed the party.
Got
4
eight.
cop cars.
Where? Here?
Right here.
Doing what?
This is apparently not a very
see that
good
building right
hotel.
there? That's the prison. All the convicts come here and stay here.
It's a jail. It's not
Yeah,
prison,
okay.
but it's a
Yeah.
jail.
A lot of meth heads, convicts come here straight from there.
Fun.
Yeah.
Oh, it's been fun
We can take
since
Mitchie
I
food.
arrived.
If you have gear, take it upstairs.
Yeah, if you have
There's
gear.
people watching us unload the car.
Yes.
Yeah.
So just be
You have to take everything inside.
Yeah.
Okay. Fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And she 228 is, I believe, on the